Made by Ethio Industries. It's Workhaus versus the Misfires. We're underway, vamos, as Workhaus look to continue their quest for the #1 seed. Andre from the captain Dan, and all the way back to Jehun, looking for Ahnan. Right back to the point for the captain Dan, to Ahnan, right back to Jehun,
2-3-1.
right back to Andre. Looking for Carl at the front. Right back to Ahnan. Good work by Carl. Right back to Andre at the point. Number 8 has it. Across for Ahnan. Oh, with deflection wide. For one of the Misfires players. Valentino across for Andre. For the first one with even no subs as well. Ahnan right here. Oh, and he had a better idea here. Ahnan with a steal. And I thought it was out off of the Misfires. And then Jehun will have to track back number 66. Oh, he made a good hit there. No, there you go. Here's the captain Dan. Right back to Ahnan. Pass across. Oh, would have been a good idea. Number 18, Ahnan, across to the captain Dan. With a shot. Deflected wide by Carl, and he got bulldozed over, and look how he got fouled too as well. But it could have been the first. For me, this almost feels like a warm-up that I've probably returned before. But right back to the captain Dan. Here's Valentino to Ahnan. Where did it? Oh, there it's out. I think. Oh yeah, good call. I knew that it was going to go out under any circumstances. Oh, yep. And I just kicked the ball to field too, while I was filming at the same time. Good things. Here's the captain Dan. With the cross for Carl. To Andre. Right back to Valentino. Oh, and then Ahnan was there. Down low for Carl. So now the Misfires have a sub. Valentino. Andre to Jehun. Rebound corner. Valentino at the wall, and Carl was there. So was Ahnan. Jehun had it blocked. On a green light here by Andre. Oh, you look at Andre. Ay. And a save by Uday. Good save by Uday in his first game as a Workhaus keeper. And Carl, he got bulldozed over, but Ahnan with a long ball. And Carl comes in. Valentino. There's a foul coming up on the Misfires. Jehun for the lead early. What a move by Andre. What a move. Jehun, oh. It almost crashed through the window. Who will be the first sub coming off the bench? Oh, and Andre with a bulldozing hit. And then with a defensive end. And right back to Ahnan. Pass across. Oh, and Jehun was it. Jehun again. Oh, rebound Ahnan. Off the base of the post. And cleared. The Misfires have a sub now. To Carl on the long ball for Workhaus when they need this most. Right back to the captain Dan. And right back to Jehun. Right back to Carl. Jehun the one time. Oh, and what a rocket. And Jehun with a steal. Carl for the opener. Oh, denied. And Ahnan with a green light here. It looked like it was out off of the Misfires, and yes it will. Right back to the captain, Dan. Right back to Ahnan. So, oh my goodness, you can see the Misfires have about 4 subs already. It's not even already! I'm not going to be liking what Ethioleg's just not going to be liking. And it's 1-0 in favor of the Misfires. Oh boy. Thanks for me! I really got to get my wake-up call. And the first goal of the game belongs to the Misfires when they have 4 subs and then they lead 1-0 as well. But then right back to Ahnan, right back to Carl. This is for the tie. Hey! And Andre, or rather Jayhoon, had a better idea. And then a turnover from the captain. And he knows. But right back to Ahnan. Carl for the tie. Hey! They look like a foul there on the Misfires. Andre for the tie. That's blocked. It is not Barry, the referee, in here today. I can't believe what I've seen for the first time in a long time. Right back to Andre for the tie. You can see Barry right up on the TV screen. And then lay right back to Andre. Throw it for Ahnan. Yes! A deflection in front. Ahnan with his first as a Workhaus player. And maybe this will get him going in the midfield. 1-1's the score now. And one other thing's a falafel machine. And how about Ahnan getting his first, or unless if a deflection was ensued by Carl. But I think Ahnan will get his first as a Workhaus player, and it's a goal even. And a green light in by Valentino. Jayhoon lost the ball. And look out for a 2-on-1. Saved by Uday. And then right back to Jayhoon. And then right back to Andre. Right back to Carl. Right back to Andre. Right back to Andre. Andre and away wide by Carl. Unfortunately, Barry made the call again. Yep, and you can see Barry right up on the TV screen making the call. Yes, Carlos, call it. Look out at the front of the net. If I were Jayhoon. Saved by Uday. Yes, Costa. Good job, Costa. There is for Valentino. But right back to Ahnan. And he had it for the advantage here.
You guys carry it. Go.
Physical play by the captain, Dan, on number 9 of the Misfires. Look at a long shot. There it is, out of play. Jayhoon right here on the right hand. All the way back to Andre. And then there's Ahnan. Oh, good ball. And then Carl or Jayhoon was there. Right back to Jayhoon. Right back to Uday. Yeah. Turnovers again. Oh, look out. Saved by Ude.
Next there, right. Next there, right. Yeah.
Right back to Ahnan. And right back to Valentino. Oh, it's looking like a slide. And Barry didn't even call it. Oh, and then Carl nearly had a cookie. There you go. And then there's Jehon to Valentino. And there's Andre. Andre for the lead. One timer by Jehon where he had a better idea. And it didn't even work yet again. Step right back to Ahnan. Right back to Jehon. Right back to Ahnan. Yeah, turnovers are going to be quite critical right now. Oh, and then nearly for Ahnan on the intercept again. Oh, green light crunching in on him by Valentino. Oh, great blow there by Jehon and Andre as well on the defensive end here. And Valentino's making the run. Hey. Oh, there. Wow, thanks. Valentino! Oh, it hit Carl. But kept in there by Ahnan. Oh, and Carl was right there. Oh, green light hit there by Ahnan. Look out now, Andre. Look out, Jehon. Oh, right behind. Right back to Ahnan, and then later right back to the point for Andre. And Carl was right there. Valentino. Oh, yeah, he blocked again by the Misfires defense. Jehon with a steal. But you go all the way back to the captain, Dan. Oh, yeah. It's got to be better now. Save by Ude. And then Valentino. Oh, yeah. Right back to Jehon. Yeah. And Ahnan's really pressing up high. Oh, there you go. And right back to Valentino. Oh, easy foul now. Trying to make the long ball. Oh, good one. Ahnan for the lead. Carl was right there. Jehon just run into the captain then with an accidental collision. Whoa! Good save by Ude. Yeah, they got to get back on the one-timer. Denied there by Andre, but another corner again. Look over the corner. Oh, you right. Oh, and Carl was right there. Valentino, what did this hit? Oh, it went off of the defense of the Misfires, where foul could really put the heat on. Oh, my car was there and it went wide. Oh, my. And a green light here by Ahnan. Another one by Ahnan. Another. Oh. Saved by Uday. Easy. Now Ahnan easy. Andre and Jehun. Right back to Andre. Oh, yeah. Oh, there goes one ball. They have two in there if they wanted it. Never mind, the fence is too tall for Jehun. Oh, where am I? 1-1 here. Too far. 1-1 to end the first half here.